welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Reflections of Life Small Register Book flap pages. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts tab, we'll select Small Flap. Next, we'll go into the Print Info button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF file is generated, we'll want to review the whole document to be sure that everything has uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print. We'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting at the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: actual size and portrait. On the right-hand side, we typically make sure that the document size and page size match in width and height. Because this is a custom page size, we'll have to make a few changes in the advanced properties. Our document size will be changed to custom paper size. Our orientation will remain with portrait. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Next, we have our paper type, and this will always be thick one to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. Next, because this is a custom page size, we'll go into the detailed settings and define our paper size here. This particular document is a 9 by 9.5 page, so we'll put the width and height here and select OK. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your one-click preset here and clicking OK. Once you've done this, an icon will appear in the one-click presets, and by clicking on this preset in future cases, the below settings will import into the next case. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll notice that the document size and page size match in width and height now, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.